jack doesn't even clear it, and it's off slam. That's how low the
What's up, dudes, and welcome to How to Slam Your Lawn Tractor. Chilling out, just the guys, and perfect thing to do is always to work on something that's fun, no stress, no pressure, just something cool. And we're at JM's, and well, he's building his version of a pit bike. Coolers around. So this is a slammed lawn tractor. Insert glamour shots here. Brent, heads in the way.
1978 MTV. Still mint.
That is clean for 78. Look at this. We're gonna have custom panel in here with some cool switches, a start button, pilot switches. We're gonna put some motocross handlebars instead of this. Rip out the engine, take the motor from the RX-7, drop that in, straight pipe it.
Grill.
Yeah.
That's a 1978 grill.
2003 versus 78. It's a hot rod right there. It's got those round headlights too, like the 70s. It's cool. It's burning in. That thing flying down the road, he looks like he's So what Brent is welding up right now is making some custom brackets for this thing to make the axle sit super low. It's kind of a engineering thing we gotta go through, but what did you do? You just welded two pieces together?
Well, because my welder has setting 1, setting 2. There's no regulation for the voltage. So just before I burn a bunch of holes through his tractor and then turn the 78 into an actual where it should be in the scrapyard, just making sure that I don't burn through.
Okay, so that's the test piece.
Yeah, it's just a test.
Well, that's pretty wise. I would have straight burnt a hole right through it.
Well, just keep filming. You're going to see the burn hole.
So in the front, the axle, you flip the axle, right? That's how you lower the front?
100%. Yeah, flip the axle.
It dropped it like 3 inches. So it's kind of tough to see there, but you guys get the idea, right? Back. This whole chunk was cut out. That's how much of a drop is in there. That's some cool stuff.
Yeah, well, that's why you get the green clap. Both sides at least
3 inches. Does it line up? Everything lines up just perfect. It's meant to be. There's a bend here, so you're gonna deal with it. Let's not deal with the bend. So we got 3 inches of the dot. Way off. Almost room. 3.5.
You're only wearing one shoe.
In theory, if you think about this, it's kind of like how the mini truck guys do. So the front end, you flop the axle around. So having the axle flop actually brings the spindles up, which drops it lower, which is kind of like when those mini truck guys take the leaf springs and put them underneath the axle instead of above it. And what's happening right here is the equivalent of notching a frame. But it's a lawn tractor. Guy's car is slammed. slamming a lawn tractor. Even his kids' four-wheelers are slammed.
It's just a washer.
Okay, so now he's throwing the wheels on. I'm gonna test the ride height. I'm gonna try not to trip over all this stuff. And we'll see how it sits. See how the measurements worked out.
Well, it's like it has a flat spot.
Pete stuff.
Hey. Hey. It's just a washer.
Looks pretty good from back here.
Perfect. Oh, it's not even like from here, maybe from the ground. It's see the offset. Totally.
Not from this angle. Yeah, that's not gonna hold.
Always touching the ground, so it's hard to fucking.
Oh, right here where you welded the front end to the.
What? I didn't weld that.
Yeah, no, these are stock.
Problem. So like this one, this is when I just threw a bolt right through the fucking shaft.
You see
I
all your
see.
weight's resting on the cotter pin?
Yeah. Like I just put that little small bolt through. I couldn't figure out another way to.
Solution for this. Well, I mean, it can literally be.
That's even funnier.
What is it?
It's just like a compression washer, kind of like snaps on.
Really?
Yeah.
Sketch.
But I'm afraid because the last time I did this, the fucking Chevy 2 fell on me. But I'm gonna pop this little thing.
On tractor, you'd be alright.
Yeah, it might be on there better than I think. But
Apparently.
yeah, I probably need a hammer to get it off.
Take it out. Oh no, there's no belt.
But it's okay, right? It's not coming off.
It's pretty decent.
Yeah, but I'm talking driving on the road weight.
Yeah.
People. Yeah.
You don't want to die? That's That's a. You know you're a good mechanic when you're using your fucking claw hammer.
I use it with the
Wait a ratchet. I see it, it's going in.
Your little screwdriver.
Yes, sir. She is back on the ground. So that's how you slam a lawn tractor.
Done.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
That's how you slam a lawn tractor. So stay tuned, there's a bit more work to do on this. Gonna be in a later video, setting up the drivetrain, stuff like that. And then I get to airbrush it and make it look all crazy and stuff. So it's gonna be fun. Stick around, subscribe, like, comment, all that fun stuff. Peace out.
I sat on the bolt and now I'm stuck.